What's up, fellow travelers? My name is Brandon.
And I'm Jen.
And welcome to a brand new travel episode. In this travel episode, we're going to be doing the best things to do in Ottawa if you only have 24 hours. And trust me, we're going to maximize this time by doing all the best things. Now, me and Jen, we're both locals, and I'm actually a tour guide here in the National Capital Region. So I'm going to bring you what I consider to be the best kept secrets, the best places to visit, the best photo locations, and best food, because Jen, I love me some food. So sit back, relax everyone, get ready for an epic adventure because we're going to be visiting Ottawa in 24 hours. First stop on our list has to be Kiwekì Point. I always tell my guests, if you have a chance, start in Ottawa with Kiwekì Point because you got amazing views of Ottawa, but also of Gatineau. Two different provinces, two different areas, two different cultures, but absolutely a beautiful lookout of Ottawa. And plus, it's a great way to understand the history of Ottawa because Ottawa used to be called Bytown, which was founded in 1826 for the construction of the Rideau Canal, which you can also see from here. You can also get a great view of Parliament, of the Senate. You can get an amazing view of the Supreme Court. Long story short, a great place to enjoy fantastic views, and it's located right behind the National Art Gallery. From here, we're going to make our way towards the beautiful Notre-Dame Cathedral, towards ByWard Market, and this marks the beginning of our journey here in Ottawa. Okay, stop number 2 on our trip here in Ottawa, because we got lots to do, is the Notre-Dame Cathedral Basilica. That's right, a cathedral and also a basilica. It was constructed between 1840s all the way till the late 1870s. In fact, there has been a wooden church here at this exact location at the beginning of Bytown in 1826, because before Ottawa, it was called Bytown. Now, while the exterior, let's be honest, the facade is it's okay. The interior though is absolutely beautiful with a Gothic revival. And honestly, it's one of the most beautiful churches I've ever been to. And even in Europe, it's free to go visit, open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Only closed when there's mass or meetings, but it is definitely worth a stop while you're here in Ottawa. And it gives you a little bit of sense of what Ottawa used to be like. So now we're in the ByWard Market district. We're gonna be exploring this area of town. Now this area has so much history, and I wish I had a whole video about it, and I probably will eventually. But the ByWard Market, most people think is the building just over here, which we're gonna explore soon. But in fact, the ByWard Market is a district that's been here since 1826, since the founding of Bytown by Colonel John By. Now, this area was the rough part of town. Still today a little bit, but back then, all the taverns, the booze, the alcohol, the gambling, the drugs was all here. Why? Because back then, the French and the Irish used to work in the lumber camps, used to go work in the winter, come back after a couple months of tons of money and had to spend it. So we're gonna walk around, explore, go check out the main market building, which was opened in 1926. And in fact, this year is its 100th anniversary. And after that, we're gonna get some delicious food at a secret hidden gem. So we just got a quick lunch at La Bottega. Now when you walk in there, it's gonna look like a grocery store, which it is, which is even better because if you walk all the way to the back, you'll go to what we call a traditional Italian deli. And there they make the most incredible sandwiches to order. You can choose your bread, your meats, your toppings, and it's super cheap. We got 2 sandwiches, 2 drinks for 24 bucks, which in the Bytown area is very affordable. And you can take it across the street right here to the ByWard Market main building, and you can just enjoy it, a little bite to eat, which is what we're gonna do right now. That's delicious. Now, before we head out and go explore some of the major attractions like Château Laurier, the Parliament Hill and all that, I have a little bit of sweet tooth. So I think we're gonna go to Moulin de Provence. I think Jen agrees. Yeah, Jen agrees. We're gonna go to Moulin de Provence, which is right here in the ByWard Market, and get some delicious little treats. And after that, we're gonna make our way up to Major Hill and walk along the Rideau Canal, where we'll meet you for more information. Now, a great in-between between Lower and Upper Town is Major Hill Park. It's Ottawa's first official park, and it gives you great views of the Rideau Canal, which is a very important site and also sort of the beginnings of Ottawa, really, when you think about it. You also have statues and important historical plaques, and it's just a really relaxing place. And by the way, in the springtime, when it's Tulip Festival,
beautiful.
Definitely beautiful. But this is a great place to just escape the city, learn about Ottawa's history, because really, Ottawa all started because of the Rideau Canal. It was the only way to get supplies to Kingston by not going too close to the American border, and because of that, you had to build, construction town. And that's what this place was, a boom town. And eventually lumber kicked in, and then it became the National Capital Region in 1857. So, very important site to learn about Ottawa, and just a great place just to get some great views on a nice sunny day. In the center of Ottawa, Jen, is the beautiful Château Laurier, our 5-star hotel, built in 1912. And in fact, it was built same time, spin over here, Jen, to the beautiful Union Station, which is now currently the Senat, which you can actually get a free tour of. Now, both buildings were actually built in 1912 because they're actually built by the Grand Trunk Company, and it was for the train era of Canada while they were building a cross-Canadian railway. Now, they actually built these massive hotels. There's some across Canada, including the Fairmont Lake Louise, the Fairmont Château Frontenac, and this is the Fairmont Château Laurier. Now, a quick little fun fact for you. The president of the Grand Trunk Company was on his way here to Ottawa, Jen, to actually open both buildings. However, he actually died on the way in the Titanic. That's right. He actually died sinking in the Titanic on the way to Ottawa to open both buildings. But
so sad. You
can walk inside. And now, obviously, I always say just act like a guest and you'll be able to go explore, be polite. And it's lots of amazing photos inside, which is really, really beautiful. It is a really important heritage building here in Ottawa. And right beside you have the Rideau Canal. So there's lots of stuff to go around here, from the Rideau Canal to the Union Station, the old Union Station, to the Château Laurier, to the Rideau Canal, to the War Monument, to the Parliament. So just walk up to Wellington. So much to do around here. Easily, you can spend a good chunk of your day right here. Right, Jen?
Absolutely. We did.
Absolutely. And just like that, Jen, we're at Parliament Hill. So Parliament Hill is a very important place. Now, it is under construction for the next 5 to 10 years. However, in terms of importance politically, can't get any more than this. So the Parliament itself was built in 1866. However, Ottawa became the National Capital Region in 1857, 2 years after Ottawa was created. Now, unfortunately, the Parliament did burn down in 1916, killing, unfortunately, 7 people. It was rebuilt in 1927 with the addition of the beautiful Peace Tower in commemoration of the soldiers of World War I. But you can still come visit some of the most important buildings, including, Jen?
East Block, which is that way. West Block, that way. And the Senate, which, somewhere over there. They are free tours, so great. And if you had to pick one, because you are limited, it is 24 hours after all, I would pick West Block because that is actually where Parliament is currently sitting.
Yeah, so essentially they moved the House of Commons from Centre Block to West Block, and you can actually visit that, which is actually pretty impressive. So if you have a chance, 30 minutes only tour, definitely worth it. Plus, behind West Block is a great lookout, which not many people know about, which is where we're going to bring it to you right now.
While you're exploring Wellington, the Parliament buildings, maybe check out the Supreme Court. If you're looking for a free and a quick activity, stop at the Bank of Canada Museum. Again, it's free, lots of money from across the world, which is really cool. They have interactive exhibits, so it's pretty fun. It's a quick activity to do if you're looking for something fast.
Indoors on a rainy day, 30 minutes, great for children, even for adults. Honestly, there's some really cool stuff in there. Now we're gonna go up Spark Street, go to the National War Monument. After that, we're gonna make our way to ByWard Market for dinner, because we're going for dinner at Ahora, which is an awesome Mexican restaurant in the ByWard Market. A true hidden gem, not for locals, because we definitely know how good it is. Let's go eat, Jen, because I just learned about money. Let's go spend money now. Well, Jen, dinner at Ahora is always good. I honestly love going there. It's one of my favorite places in Ottawa. Now, I have a little sweet tooth and it's time for dessert, so how about we go get some BeaverTails? Let's go collect a fresh beaver, bring it to the butcher, and get ready for an awesome dessert. Just kidding, everyone. We're getting traditional BeaverTails. Now, this is an awesome puff pastry. The traditional, which is what I usually go for, has brown sugar on it and it's absolutely delicious. Listen, you can get this on the Rideau Canal or you can come right here in the ByWard Market where you can get it at their stand and it is so good. Expensive, I'm gonna be honest with you, but this is a classic. If you're coming to Canada or coming to Ottawa for the first time, you gotta try it. Now, enough talking. I need to put this delicious thing in my mouth as fast as possible. All right, Jen, last stop for 24 hours here in Ottawa has to be the Ottawa Art Gallery. It closes late, which means you can come here as a last little activity to do. Plus, there's not that much going on in Ottawa at night, especially on a weekday, so this is a great thing to do, 100% free, and this is the Ottawa Art Gallery, not the National Art Gallery, which means there's lots of amazing local and Canadian artists that are here. And it's a great 1 hour, 2 hour activity, and after that, Jen, I think we'll just walk around and finish our night off here with some beautiful lights of Ottawa. You excited?
Yeah, sounds perfect.
Well, let's go inside, let's go enjoy some art. Jen, how did you enjoy the Ottawa Art Gallery? A free activity and the last good activity to do during your 24 hours here in Ottawa.
I really enjoyed it. I was really surprised. There was so much information. There's a lot of history in there too. I learned a lot and I'm very surprised at it. So
plus they have artists from the Group of 7 of Canada. So it's a great way to learn about the history of Canada and also just enjoy some fantastic art and a great last activity to do at night while you're here in Ottawa. And plus now you can walk outside, enjoy the beautiful lights, the buildings come alive here in Ottawa. But Jen, unfortunately, that ends our 24 hours here in Ottawa. What was your favorite thing we did today?
It's a tie, I think.
Oh, really?
Tie. Kiweki Point is just...
The lookout is it's unbeatable. It really is. If you're coming to Ottawa and you don't know Kiweki Point, how are you getting good photos? I don't know.
You can see literally everything that you're gonna go see. It's like a little teaser for the rest of the day.
Absolutely.
And then the Ottawa Art Gallery, the exhibit on Faith Files, I learned so much. I never knew a lot of that info, so that was actually a great surprise. I really enjoyed that.
I agree. So with that, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this travel episode. I hope you guys enjoyed 24 hours here in Ottawa, and we have tons of content coming here in Ottawa. So at our best things to do, top museums, best sunset locations. So go hit the subscribe button down below, follow us for more content. And yes, we do produce authentic travel content across Canada, so we're going many places. So hit the subscribe button. We'll see you soon, and get ready, everyone, for an awesome adventure on the go. See you soon, everyone.
Je ne fais que raconter, te donner la clé. Juste un exemple, la vision du monde peut vite être faussée. J'ai cru longtemps que j'arriverais pas à faire